The day is finally here that my new XF off-road wheels are going to be delivered. I also got some tires coming too, so I'll show you guys those. Going bigger in the wheels, going bigger in the tires for this build. But it actually wasn't my number one pick. I discovered XF off-road from these wheels that they had. I forgot the number, but I'll show them here on the screen. They had these wheels that were so freaking cool, but they were sold out. So actually, I'll tell you about that later on. These wheels are still badass. They were my second choice because the other ones were sold out. So let's get into it. All right, so I actually went with Venom tires. I never even heard of this tire company, but they're an online company because I went to some big tire shop and they were like, yeah, I never heard of them. They must be an online tire. So my buddy, Davey Muscle, he swears on Davey Muscle. Davey Michael, he goes by Davey Muscle on Instagram, but he told me that these tires are great and they're like $200 a tire or something like that, or $250 for 37s. I might be wrong on the price, but very affordable online tire that are great. So these are the XTs, kind of like their ATs. I told you I'm going big. These are the 37. Woo. Wow. Check these out, babe.
Very nice.
Yeah, so 37, 13.5. Putting a 22-inch wheel in there. So these will be a little bit wider than the wheel. And that'll be better for, when you're hitting curbs and stuff, you're not gonna scrape up your wheel as much. What happened was I fell in love with these wheels from XF Off-Road, but they were sold out of the 22s. I wanted to go 22s last time I went 20s, but they had the 24s. So I was like, I was contemplating back and forth, and I was like, all right, I'm just gonna go with the 24s. By the time I made up my mind, those were sold out, so I went with a different wheel, but I think it's gonna work out because 24s, even on a 37, are gonna look a little funky, I think. So I got the next best rim, I thought, from XF Off-Road in 22s. Let me show you the, damn, babe.
Those are big.
Holy shit. Yeah, Venom Power XT. These are the XTs, right? Dang, I can't believe how aggressive the XTs are. Because they have their XT, which are the least aggressive, then they have their RT, which is a hybrid in between the MT and the XT. And then the MT is obviously the most aggressive, so this is a freaking aggressive ass all-terrain. Yeah. But this is what I want to show you guys. The 22s here. On trucks, I think 24s are great, but I mean, I know a lot of you are going to say 22s are way too big for a Jeep. I'm not the biggest off-road guy. This is my daily driver. I just wanted to look at it. It'll still be functional if you want to take it off-road if you want. All right. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Check that out, guys.
Those were nice.
Yeah. These are gonna look so awesome on these Venom Power tires.
Those are big.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, guys, let me know in the comments which if you guys like this combination. So I can't wait to throw these wheels on the tires as soon as I get back from the holidays. We're gonna do that. We're gonna put on a 4-inch lift, I think, either a 3.5 or a 4-inch lift. So cannot wait for that. So I got a lot of work to do before I actually throw these bad boys on, but I like what I see.